This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. This is Dr. Tommy Campbell Jr. Welcome to another special edition of This Is Your Time. This is your season. This is your moment. I want to let you know that you are destined for greatness. This is going to be a powerful motivational video today. I want to let you know you are not average. You were not born to be average. Yes, you were born to be phenomenal. And I just want to inspire you today. I just want to spread some love to you today. I want to tell the whole world that I love you all with all of my heart. I love you and I believe in you. I get in front of this camera for free every day because I love you and I believe in you. And come on, I want you to see it before you see it. I want you to imagine yourself accomplishing your dreams in your mind. Let me tell you where it starts. Greatness, success, it starts in the mind. And you got to speak what you want to be. You got to say what you want to say. And then after you say what you want to be, you have to put in the action and you have to go after it, baby. Why? Because faith without works is dead. Faith without works is dead. You got to put in the work. Don't just talk about it, but you have to be about it. I am in London. I am in Bermuda. I am in Australia. I am in corporate. I am international. I am in the NBA, and I will speak in the NBA. I am in the NFL. I will speak in the NFL. Why? Because I believe it. Why? Because I am success. I want you to tell yourself that you are success. I want you to tell yourself you can win that NBA championship. I want you to tell yourself you can win the Super Bowl. I want you to tell yourself you can win the high school state championship. I want you to tell yourself you can win the World Series. I want you to tell yourself you can win the NCAA championship. I want you to tell yourself you can win the College World Series. I want you to tell yourself you can win the Olympic gold medal. I want you to tell yourself you can get that GED. I want you to tell yourself you can get that doctoral degree. I want you to tell yourself you can get that PhD. I want you to tell yourself you can start that business. I want you to tell yourself you can be a billionaire. Tell yourself you can be a multi-millionaire. Tell yourself you can find the love of your life. Tell yourself you can be the CEO of that company. Tell yourself you can be a doctor or a lawyer. Tell yourself you can be a real estate investor. Tell yourself you can be a teacher, principal, nurse, rapper, movie producer. Tell yourself you can write that book. Tell yourself you can be a motivational speaker. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to be, whatever you want to become, tell yourself that you can do it. Tell yourself that you can be it. Tell yourself that you can accomplish it. Success belongs to you. Put in the blood. Put in the sweat. Put in the tears. Like Dr. Eric Thomas says, everybody want to be a beast until it's time to do what beasts do. If it was easy to get that college degree, if it was easy to get that GED, if it was easy to get that academic scholarship, if it was easy to get that athletic scholarship, if it was easy to write that book, if it was easy to be a billionaire, if it was easy to be a multi-millionaire, if it was easy to start that business, if it was easy to find great relationships, if it was easy to do the impossible, then everybody will be doing it if it was easy. But the reason why everybody is not doing it, because it's hard to be great. It's hard to be successful. It's hard to make your dreams a reality. And that's why people are quitting, because it's so hard to be successful. But let me tell you something. I want you to make it up in your mind after you watch this video. I want you to say, I can, I will, I must. If you want to succeed as bad as you want to live, then you'll be successful. How bad do you want to live? How bad do you want it? How bad do you want to accomplish your dreams? Success, it belongs to you. We're talking about success. Give life a better effort. That's what I want you to do. I want you to give life a better effort. Give your life a better effort. What do you mean, Dr. Campbell? I want you to go after your dreams. Give life. This is what I want to do. This is what I want you to do with your life. I want you to give life a 120% effort. Give life a 120% effort. Don't put in 60. Don't put in 70. Don't put in 80. Don't put in 90%. Don't put in 100%. But give life a 120% effort. Give it your all. Put in the blood. Put in the sweat. Put in the tears. Go all out until you reach greatness. I'm going to say that again. Go all out until you reach greatness. The eye of a tiger. But you got to have the mindset of a lion. Listen, I want you to have the eyes of a tiger, but I want you to have the mindset of a lion. Why? Because lions are wired differently. Dr. Eric Thomas says, when a lion is born, it's not born as a lion. It doesn't look like a lion, but it is born as a cub. But what makes it develop, what makes it a lion is when it is the process, when it starts hunting, when it starts chasing that gazelle. Then the cub turns into a cub and turns into a lion because of the development, because of the process, because of the hunt. That's what I want you to do. Don't have a cub mentality, but have a lion mentality. You are a diamond, but in order to become a diamond, you must go through extreme pressure. Listen, this is my story. I flunked the first grade. I was labeled as retarded. I had a reading and comprehension problem. I had a learning disability. I was bullied in school. My high school teacher told me I wasn't smart enough to go to college. She said I wouldn't graduate high school. She said I might as well go to the military. Well, listen, I tried to go to the military, but I flunked the military test. And then I finally got in college. But when I got in college, I had a nervous breakdown. And guess what? I was hospitalized for a whole year. And I flunked out of college. But I got back in on academic probation. And then after that, I was homeless in 2009. And then after that, I was innocently shot multiple times. I was shot 3 times and pronounced dead at the hospital. And now, I am Dr. Tommy Campbell Jr. I'm a first-generation college graduate student. I'm a nominee for the Nobel Peace Prize Award. I'm a published author of 4 motivational books. And there's been people who were suicidal. They watched my videos and they decided not to commit suicide. People watched my videos and their marriages were restored. People watched my videos, they started their businesses and became successful from watching my motivational videos. Why? Because I am success. And success belongs to me. Winston Churchill said, the empires of the future are the empires of the mind. How great is your mind? How do you think? And what do you think? This is how I want you to think. I'm about to tell you how to think. Stop being negative and start being positive. Anyone who has ever became great. Jeff Bezos started Amazon because he had the right mindset. Mark Zuckerberg started Facebook because he had the right mindset. Warren Buffett started Berkshire and invested in all the companies because he had the right mindset. Bill Gates started Microsoft because he had the right mindset. Steve Jobs started Apple because he had the right mindsets. Elon Musk started his company because he had the right mindset. Jack Ma started Alibaba because he had the right mindset. What kind of mindset do you have? If you're going to be great, if you're going to become successful, if you're going to accomplish your dreams, you must develop a positive mindset and you must change the way you think. And next, you must stop procrastinating. So many people are afraid to start their businesses. So many people are afraid to go after their dreams because they are afraid of failure. Listen, you're going to have to fail. You have to fail before you become great. Michael Jordan got cut in high school before he became the greatest basketball player of all time. Failure is necessary. But what you must do when you fail, you must learn from your failures. I want you to develop a strong and positive mindset. You are going to become exactly what you continuously think about. You are what you think about. And what you think about on a day-to-day basis is going to determine the types of decisions you make. You need to make the right decisions. You need to develop the right mindset that's going to make you become successful. Wherever your focus is, your mind will follow. I'm closing. Wherever your focus is where your mind will follow. So where is your focus? What kind of mindset that you have? Because you are where you are right now as a result of the choices you made in your past. So if you don't like your life, if you don't like yourself, if you don't like where you are in your life right now, then you must change the way you think. You must change the decisions that you're making. You have to believe in yourself when no one else does. People may doubt you. People may not believe in you. But you have to believe in yourself when no one else does. What makes you a champion and a winner, watch this, I'm teaching, is when you believe in yourself until the end. If you had to depend upon people to believe in you and your dreams, last statement, you will never accomplish them. So believe in yourself. I'm going to say that again. If you had to depend upon people to believe in you and to believe in your dreams, you will never accomplish your dreams. So believe in yourself. Success. I want you to know that you are destined for greatness. You can do it, you can be it, and you can accomplish it. This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. You are success. You are beautiful. You are special. You are intelligent. You are amazing. You matter. You are gifted beyond measure. You are phenomenal. You are amazing. But you have to see that for yourself. You have to know that you're gifted. You have to know that you are intelligent. You have to know that you are smart. You have to know that you are beautiful. Come on, encourage yourself. There's not going to always be people that will encourage you. You have to get to a place in your life that you will encourage yourself. You have to get to a place in your life that you will believe in yourself, because everyone is not going to believe in you, but you must believe in yourself. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please spread the word all over social media about me as a motivational speaker. Please share my motivational videos and click the bell. How bad do you want it? Do you want it bad? I love you and I believe in you, and there's not a thing you can do about it. On your march, get set.